Hi, hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer. On this channel, we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings, mystery bags, vlogs, and clothing hauls. So if you are interested in any of those things, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I do post several times a week, and I wouldn't want you to miss whatever your favorite type of video is. So yeah. Anyway, today we are going to be reviewing the Chic beauty box. This is a bi-monthly subscription for $39.99 a month. You do get to fully customize your box. They will send out an email link letting you know that the choice options are available. You click the link, and of course, you know, they are categorized, so you will have, you know, 2 or 3 products to choose in that section, and then it'll take you to the next one. You do receive, I believe it's either 5 or 6 full-sized items. I love this because it is a makeup heavy box, and I noticed like Ipsy and BoxyCharm, occasionally they will do skincare heavy boxes, and I don't care for those months when they do that. So this one I know will always be mostly makeup. Occasionally they'll throw in a beauty product, which is fun because we really only need those beauty products sometimes. Okay, I'm joking. You need them every day. Yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. Here is kind of what it looks like, oops, on the inside. And they do have this cute little card with all of the variations. And it'll tell you up here, May, June box. And I can't remember what my choices were, so this is going to be kind of fun because I know I picked them, so it must be stuff I like. And also, it's been a little while, it's been a couple of weeks, so I forgot what's in here. Alright, the first item I'm pulling out looks like it's probably a brush. Ooh, yes, okay, it is a NARS brush. This is the, oh, I don't even know how to say it. Well, it says M-I-E, Kabuki brush. Ooh. Let's see what the Kabuki, oh yes, I like it already. Let me see here. Come on, open, open. That's a nice brush. I'm sure the retail value on this was nice. Ooh, nice and soft. I like it. Alright, so the Kabuki brush was $55, and we get a quality name brand that you know and trust. Alright, it does feel good, very nice, all of the things. So there's that guy. Then, oh, I'm excited. I'm like so excited for all of this. Then we got a KVD Duo, what is this? Shade Light Two-Tone Blush. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. And these are in the shade Mickey and Mallory. Well, that's kind of fun. Raise your hand if you know what they're talking about. Okay, joking, joking. Alrighty, let's open this baby up. Stuck in the box. Ooh, fancy. I love this. Yes. Oh, this is so nice. Let's do the swatches there, and then on thy skin. Yeah. Oh, this one looks like, well, maybe it's just, there we go. I think I just didn't get it in the angle that good. And this is KVD. $25 for that. Then we got, oh, I was excited for this. We got a Tarte lipstick. This is from their Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash. And this is in the color Pink Lemonade. Woo! I love it. I love it already, you guys. So exciting. I know, I know. Oh, I dropped it. Please hold. Ooh, look how gorgeous and fun. That definitely has an ocean vacation vibe. You know, I'm all about it right now. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, full size, of course. Got a nice amount there. Ooh, this is lovely. Oh yeah, look at how well. I love when boxes go together like this. Like, I love that you can make a look out of this box. It's not just, you know, all of the face items that, you know, the colors don't match or they're not coordinated. Like, that's fun and that's nice because you can always complement or supplement with your own makeup collection. But I love when they do it like this. Like, that is like when it's very well curated to you and as a whole. Oh my gosh, it's just a thing. Okay. Oh, what was the price? I was yapping. Tarte lipstick, $21, so we're doing good. Oh, look how cool. Okay, Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Finish Mist. So, yep, we'll, let's see. I haven't tried this. No scent at all. Sorry, my phone, I forgot to turn it off, so it's just binging. Probably my kids upstairs like, hey mom, where are you? I'm hungry. Alright, so Revlon is $8.99. And the last item that I see in here is an Alame Quad Pixie Kiss. Ooh, I like it. So you do, that is one thing I forgot to mention, is that you do get both name brand and drugstore brand name in this box. So it does give you a chance to try both out, which I'm totally good with because the value is always there. Whoop, almost dropped it again. Because the value is always there in this box, so I'm fine with that. Oh, look at those shimmers. I don't even know if the camera is going to do it any justice. Okay, we're going to do those two, these two colors here. Oh, very nice for like a very no makeup-y day, but you still get that shimmer and shine. Okay, and then here are those guys for the bottom. Oh. So, yeah, I like this because, like I said, this is totally what I would use it for. No makeup day. So, what do we have here? We gotta do a serious recap because this is amazing. Alright, so we got the for the eyes, the eyeshadow quad. We got for the cheeks, the blush. And, of course, to go with the blush, we have the Kabuki brush. And then we have the lipstick, and we have the setting spray. So 5 full-size items for, oh, I didn't tell you the price for the Alame was $6.99. I'll have a total up for you over here. So yeah, like I said, I loved this box, this variation. You have something that goes together for the whole face, like even the finisher spray. Like really all you gotta pull for is some foundation and eyeliner if you're up to it. Maybe a little mascara, but that's it. They gave you everything you need right here for a nice look. This was amazing. This, if I were to narrow down or try to, you know, if I had to pick between subscription boxes, I would definitely keep this one, and I would choose to narrow down from Ipsy and BoxyCharm because this one is a keeper. So I will have the links down below. This subscription, you don't get like any... You don't earn any points, and there's really not a link. Like, it's just a link to their website. You don't get referral points or anything like that. You don't review it and get like charm points or anything. It's just a nice simple box, none of the extras, but again, totally worth it. So please let me know what you thought. Also, I need to mention that I'm bumping one video this week, which is going to be the live glam. It will actually be on Thursday. The only reason I mention that is because some of the stuff I say in there it's gonna sound like off on the date, but I bumped it because this box came in and I wanted to share this one with you first. And then, yeah, so anyway. Also, I still am trying to put up stuff on my TikTok. When we were first in quarantine, I had a lot of videos because I was just goofing off with my son, but I think that I've decided to go ahead and start goofing off with him again because we have a lot of fun together. He's 11, you know, so yeah, totally in the goof off age, and you know, we just have fun. So I will try and post makeup, beauty, and clothing things on there, but I also just goof off. So anyway, again, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I post swatches there and some cool other things that I find along my way that wouldn't be in the vlogs and stuff like that. So anyway, we will see you next time. Thank you guys. Bye.